My goal here is to show you how to access our ebook and our homework if you or I have to miss class. So, to access our ebook, let's go to Google. You may have to type it in, google.com. Here's our Google page. Make sure you are signed in with your school account. You'll click on the waffle at the top right, and it will open a drop-down menu. Scroll down until you see McGraw-Hill with a square. Click on the McGraw-Hill. It'll do some loading. And here we go. Make sure that you are in Tulare Western High School. So let's change that. Scroll down to Tulare Western High School. You will want to pick whatever period you are in with the geometry that has the beetle on it and click on that. That will take you to your geometry class. And at this time, I'm just going to switch from my teacher's account to a student account so you can see. So here's a student account that I've made. So this is exactly what you'll see. It'll say your period with geometry in it. So here's how you access your ebook. You will click on the Browse Your Course drop-down menu. Also, before I do, just as a note, if you do have any assignments or tests, it would be in this location here. You would click on whatever name of the assignment or test you have, and then click on View to access it. But for now, let's look at our ebook. So we'll click on the drop-down menu. And then these are the chapters. They call them modules. And you would click on the drop-down menu for whatever module you're in. So for me, currently we are in Module 2, so I'll use this as an example. Make sure you know what unit or module you're in. So click on that module, and then it would be section like 2.1 or 2.3, whichever one you're in, you would click on that. So let's look at Module 2.2 as an example. So this will take you to the ebook that we have for this course, and each one of these are opportunities for you to dive deeper into this lesson of angle relationship. So you can go to the preview student page or the launch presentation if you just want to go through it one by one. This right here takes you to the ability to break down it into pieces. So you can go through these different ones and access them that way. I'll just go ahead and preview student page. So this is probably what you should look like on yours. And you can click on each one individually. And remember, if you just wanted to dive right in, it'd be launch presentation. And then launch presentation has the slideshow to kind of go through each one. Down here, you have the ability to look through the different lessons or resources that each one has and participate in them. If you need to exit out of it, you can open the tray to kind of access the different lessons and skip around if you need to, or you can go one by one participating with them. There's a calculator here. There's a print option here. Minimize or maximize your screens, and then exit out of the screen. And you can go through each one. Make sure you do your best to participate and take notes. read through all the content. The more you read and the more you invest in engaging yourself in the materials, the easier it will be in class. And as always, make sure you're writing things down in your notebook, questions or problems. I would really encourage you to especially focus on the vocabulary, especially in geometry. You want to try to do your best to draw pictures of what these might look like. Let's see if they have any pictures here. Also note that there's a sound option where it will read it to you. So if your eyes are hurting, you can have the computer read it to you that way. See if it gives you any pictures here as we go through. Let's see, let's look at the first exercise. Oh, and there we go. We got some pictures here to kind of go along with them. And then they're asking you for some activities to go through. So kind of the key here is to participate and kind of interact with the presentations. Okay, so I hope this helps as a way of accessing your ebook for my class, for Mr. Sanders' class, to access your homework assignment. So you can use this to kind of explore and learn about the topics that we're studying. And then for my homework in my class, you'll go to your Google Classroom. Once again, it would just go to Classroom on your waffle over here, Google Classroom. Click on whatever period you're in. And then this has the assignments that I've posted. There we are. So this is the new assignment I've posted for the class. It would just be the next one. So make sure you click on whatever lesson we're on.